Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And do you want to speak more fluently but no idea how to I can start and how to I can speak front of anyone? So I share a 30-day action. It is help to the our fluency and it is also help to the our communication and along with confidence. So first of all, why building is habit better than is a random practice. So importance of the daily repetition, because when you are repeat daily, then your mind will be captivating knowledge and the grave attention day by day, and you will be able to speak front of anyone. So that's why this is the most important thing, repetition. Without repetition, your mind will be not recall any sentence and any words. So first of all, and you need to make plan, big wise plan, how to we can use daily basis conversation. When you are make plan, then you can divide it into week wise. This week I will learn this thing, and this week I will learn another thing, and after that you will be understand everything and you will be follow to them, and your English will be automatically boost without any hesitation and without any afraid overwhelming and stress. So let me tell you what. First thing is, first week you made a plan, listening plus vocabulary, 20 minutes podcast or video, and plus 5 vocabulary. And even I'm not talking about just you listen and you practice them. For example, when you are listening something, then you practice in the own word in the same times, and after that your fluency and your accent will be simultaneously that person who are speaking and who are like saying something during the podcast. And when you are learn 5 vocabulary, it is also help to the our boost knowledge, and you will be understanding where can I use to the 5 vocabulary. So it is the very important for the every person should be practice day by day whatever you are learning and whatever you are listening and watching podcast. And second week you can make plan, speak plus shadowing. Yeah, choose one video daily and repeat sentence by sentence and talk to yourself in mirror. Yeah, it is a very important tool for the every person, because when you are choose one particular video and you will be repeat again and again, and then your mind will be adjust every thing, and your mind will be like grab knowledge. Yeah, this sentence I can use, and this video is expression we can use there, because everything is they all about expression. Some tense, some vocab, and some sentence you can use throughout the expression, because sometimes I didn't know what does mean by this sentence, what does means by these phrases. But when front of person like give the any expression that we can understanding easily, yeah, this is the this sentence and he want to say through of this attention and this expression. So second week you can make this plan and talk to a mirror, because when you are talking front a mirror, and automatically your confidence will be boost, and there is no need to like any like something, it is the enough for your confidence. Because sometimes I'm talking about you are studying like college student, and after that when it's come to the presentation, then your automatically confidence will be boosted, because you already made a lot of video and made a lot of practice front of mirror, and it is also help to the our fluency along with our confidence, because he day by day your problem deplete and mitigate, and you will be able to mesmerizing our knowledge, and you will be through you will be able to speak impeccable way. So second week you can make plan and go ahead. I'm going to third week, storytelling plus grammar focus. Speak one storytelling, can be real or the imagined, and practice one grammar topic daily like modals and tense etc. First of all, some students are saying which type of storytelling I can speak and I can learn. So first of all, there are multiple available. There are multiple opportunity you have available. First of all, you can go to the YouTube, and after that there are like moral story and the real time story available. You can just listen and you can just imagine all scenario about this storytelling, and you can narrate in the own want. And after that you will realize, yeah, your English is improving day by day, because our subconscious mind will be gradually understanding, and one day you will familiar these are words, and you will be valuable to everything, and you will become a good programmatic person. So you can use. And second thing is the practice of the grammar. Yeah, this is the very most thing, because it is the backbone of the English. Without grammar you cannot speak front of anyone. I'm not talking about you can profoundly well learn grammar, just you can know basic knowledge like ismr, has, have been, was, where, and will have to. Just you can grab knowledge this type of, and after that it is enough for the conversation. And after that gradually you will practice these are modals and grammar, and you will understand, yes, we need to implement our English like proficiency way and the marvelous way. And after that everything will be fine. And for week you can make a plan, real conversation plus review. Try to speak with partners online or the offline. Reflect, fix and the weak points. So first of all, friend, you in our environment there are multiple things available. For example, you can conversation, how to you can conversation, because we have a lot of opportunity throughout the online. For example, in nowadays one app is the very famous app, CV app. You can go through and register, and after that there are multiple stranger is available. You can go and you can conversation with the own one, and this is the real time practice, because that times I think CV app is the available 20, 30 minute times. You can daily practice with the real time a stranger. And after that you can ask to our feedback, how much you improved and where we are lacking and where we are like doing mistake, and that person will be give the honesty review. And offline through offline you can also implement our English, because our surround your friend is living, and if any friend is living, if you are doing something, then you can conversation with our friends without any thinking. Yes, first time you will speak the wrong, but after next time you will speak very good, because when you are mistake then you will learn, yes, here I mistake. So gradually you will understanding. In first time you can't speak like fluency and very good way. Firstly you will a lot of mistake, and that's why you will go to the these are like concept, and after that you will speak very very eloquent way. And next step I would like to say, don't skip time. Fluence does come fluent doesn't come from the perfection, it's come from the consistency. Consistency is the key of success. Without consistency you will not be able to do anything. So friends, subscribe for daily practice tips. See you soon next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.